And it all came to me naturally. Now, do you want an AI little video that lasts about 25 minutes to tell you the meaning of fucking life? Or do you want a human being who's been through it to tell you? Because those little videos are so beautiful. Oh, they sound so wonderful. And I've been listening to them. Yes, they trigger me. Yes, there's a lot of stuff in there to wake up to. But that's not a human being talking to you. You're being disconnected. Your philosopher is becoming an AI and a couple of images from a generated machine. And if you realize all these spiritual self-help bullshit stuff is all made on a fucking machine. These people who make them are not even ballsy enough to show their faces in public. So who are you listening to? I'm going to stumble, yes. I'm going to say something foul. But in the whole scheme of my discussion, am I giving you truth? Am I giving you real meaning and understanding? Am I giving you rationality? Ask yourself. Don't ask the person next to you. And don't ask fucking society to see if I'm popular or not. That doesn't count. Am I doing something to you? Am I changing you? Do you want to continue with me? I can guide you to a certain point in your life, but then you have to take the road on your own. And I've done that with my children and everybody I know. I can only carry you so much. I want you to take me as an example and learn. If you don't want to have a foul mouth, that's your choice. I enjoy it because I grew up in the gutter, okay? And I grew up in construction sites. I busted my fucking ass for over 50 years, and I'm 62. So you tell me, when did I start work? I was thrown out into the street to go and fend for myself because I would go to my parents and say, can I have some pocket money? Can I have this? And they would say, no. I'm 11 years old. And they say, no, I'm not giving you anything. I'm poor. I've got to pay the house off. I've got bills to pay. I've got bullshit to do. You want money? Go and work. And that's what I did. I went to work. And that was their biggest fucking mistake ever.